Armcandy gang, welcome back. Today's bag is gorgeous. It's a Mulberry Bayswater and I love this colourway. So it's a graphite grey, beautiful, rich, deep, warm grey colour with silver hardware. I think this colourway is, I love it. This is my, well, as you can see, I'm a silver girl. I love that, I think it looks fantastic. So of course, double top handles. It's got 4 studs on the base, always a useful thing to have. It's got the mulberry cloche and inside is the mulberry padlock. We have of course got the flat closure with the iconic postman's lock fasten, and inside huge big cavernous space. I think a Bayswater is fantastic for someone like me who likes to just put everything in her bag. So plenty of space in there. We've got 1 zipped pocket there, and then 2 flat pockets, and the mulberry tag is down there. Really, I love the little zip pulls. Super cute. It has of course got the internal mulberry buckles so that you can adjust the side gussets, and it's got the gorgeous microfiber lining. I love that lining. I think it's so soft, but it's so it's not a word I would normally like to use, but it's so practical. I'm not a very, I like frivolous things, but the lining in microfiber is fantastic. It's so easy to keep clean and still it's soft. I love soft things, but it's easy to keep it clean and well cared for. And as I said, for me, this is the kind of bag I just chuck everything in there, including food, drink, makeup, pens. So it's a good lining for me. Size-wise, I am 5'4", UK size 10. The exact measurements are on the website, and there's a link to this on the website in the comments below. It comes with the mulberry dust bag, and I'll talk you through the condition. So, the exterior is very good condition. Basically, the leather is fantastic. The bag is beautiful. There is just some slight signs of wear on the bottom corners, and it is slight, so it might not really show up very well, but slight signs. Okay, and I'm going to show you on the back as well. Can you see the little dimples? Which is obviously where the bag strap goes. I mean, just by the Bayswater existing, those dimples happen. It's the nature of the style of the bag. The interior is in excellent condition. Nothing to show you. It's pristine, beautiful, perfect. Feels soft and gorgeous and luxurious. The hardware is in good condition. So I'm going to undo it and see if I can angle it so that you can see. There is just a few hairline scratches. So you can just see it's had some use. On the underside, you can see, very common with the mulberry, the little ring that they get. Let's show you that. Okay, so good condition for the hardware, just some signs of use. For that colourway, you see silver and you've got grey poking through. This is my kind of person. It's gorgeous. Okay, so before you go and check it out on the website, remember to hit the bell and like the video. Then you can go and check this out and sign up for your discount code. There's a link in the comments below, it'll take you to this, and then while you're there, sign up for the newsletter, and then we'll send you your discount code that you can use on your first purchase of Armcandy. It's really easy to do. You just scroll to the bottom of any page, there's a little white box, pop your email address in there, and we will immediately send you your discount code that you enter at the checkout. If it doesn't come through within a minute, check the spam folder. It may have gone in there. But I think that's everything today. So yeah, go and sign up for the newsletter, check this out, hit the bell. Don't forget, hit the bell, very important. And we will see you back here for our next piece of Armcandy.